Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Sigma video in Animal Company. Now, I do feel that good, so yeah, I might be coughing. Or if not, like,
okay, guys,
feel that good. But
let's go all the way down.
And someone else. So yeah, we're just in the mining area, which is actually a pretty cool update. I've not made an update video on this, so I guess this is just an update video since it's literally just this. Yeah, I found gold. I found gold. Up here. Yeah, I found gold.
Pick it up there. I got it.
Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. Alright, select the stuff. Oh my god. Don't want it real away. Oh.
It's fine. Wait, let me just get this last piece.
What's that? Yo, chat.
Okay, guys, let's go all the way down now.
Okay, that's not the way, but this is
the way.
Super good way. Now, make sure to not run into the spider.
Over here.
Don't run into the spider.
Over here, come over here. He has his own.
And you can get some good stuff like research points, company coins, and even some money, which is pretty good. Not gonna lie. So yeah, that's why we're here and we're just grinding.
Wait, there's a spider. Like, can it climb up to the roof like we have grapplers?
I'm just trying to get some research points so I can get some new stuff.
So that means we can just do this and the spider won't be able to get us.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Okay.
Wait. Can we have the light?
Okay, I'm gonna look over here, chat.
Chat, bro, Ezra, did you do you have a flashlight?
No. I mean, I have it on my battery, but there's no snow. Oh, if you see these like super dark purple ones, oh my god, wait a minute. It breaks and it drops. Ooh. I got revolver ammo. I got another big flashlight. Chat, I got revolver ammo and big flashlight.
I think we should go back now.
No, we should keep exploring. There's some more stuff that we gotta find. Ooh, another one. Oh, got nothing. Okay.
Maybe over here?
Maybe we should explore and just import the cave.
No,
where did the other guy go? Oh.
He left.
He left the game?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm scared. Okay. Oh, I found some crystals. Right here. Oh, nothing. Alan?
Let's go over here.
Where are you?
I'm out of the area.
Okay. Where's out of the area?
Where?
I saw you. Guys, I heard that. Okay, let's try to find some gold over here.
Yeah, I'll stay in this area.
Okay, I found some bluestones.
I'm mostly filling up my backpack and getting out.
Okay, I'm super scared. But they also added in this update was the new Morat bundle, and they also added a tiger. And you could buy some research points and I think those company coins. You could buy 4 research points and some company coins. I think like 1,000 something. Or you could buy something else where it gives you 10 research points. I think some more points. I'm not really sure what you get. I kind of forgot, but there's also a new Morat bundle where you get some company coins, you get the actual animal, and you get some other stuff. And the tiger one costs 6,000. Yeah, I think you can still get the skeleton. I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure you can still get the frog. I mean, I'm not really sure about the skeleton, but still. Ooh.
Let's go back.
What?
Let's go back.
Go? Okay, give me a second. Okay.
I know you saw some gold or whatever. Did you mine it? I'll just collect.
Yeah, I'm scared.
You know, never mind. Never mind, never mind.
Okay, I found the exit.
Pat,
my
pat,
still
pat,
big.
I don't care.
Buddha man! Show your face. Oh, wait.
How about we just mine out here? Wait, let me
Okay.
collect out the loot.
Let's go sell the stuff. We collect the stuff and then sell it. Do some. Ooh, other one.
Wait, let me get my grappler.
So I guess.
Look, yeah.
Yo,
I'm
there's
just
one
gonna
right
sell
here.
my
There's one right
pickaxe.
here.
Bruh.
Okay, let's go. Oh, the mining gives me trees. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put the.
Yo.
Okay, what do we do? You just gotta sell it. So, that's it? What do you need? At least 1,000. At least. 250? We should have
Oh, you
just
wanna
got
go
the
play
egg.
Rock'n'Roll?
We should have just got the egg in like a Coke can. That would have made more money.
Oh?
Since the egg is 250 and the Coke can is like 15, so it made like.
Yo, I'm probably gonna get off really soon. 'Cause- Well, first
Yo,
I'm
should
gonna
we go
upload
to
a video.
Haunted Mansion?
I'm good. Sure, why not?
Okay. We're gonna speed
Wait, I
run.
think keep the pickaxe. Keep the pickaxe.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I have in my. I have the pickaxe in my backpack. Oh, and bring like a lantern. I suggest you put the pickaxe in your bag. Since I don't think we're gonna need it right now. So let's get a light. I got a light. Oh wait, we're good. Oh yeah, wait, give me a second. Wait, I should get one of those. I wanna see if it actually still works. I'm not really sure if it actually works still. Okay, let's go. Alright, chat, I'm already here at the forest.
Then
I mean, I'm not at the dark forest, but yeah, I'm here. Okay. Alright, come on, let's go. Okay, so I haven't been to Haunted in quite a lot.
Angler.
Quite a while. Okay, I see Haunted. Just go to Haunted.
go
And
straight.
yeah. Okay, you here? Okay, go to this. Get into the hallway. Okay, get the light, get the light.
Turn on.
Get the door. No, okay. Please go sleep. Please don't jump scare me. That's the only thing I don't want you to do. Since it's not very signal when you jump scare.
Is your game lagging out a lot?
No, not really. Ooh, great.
Oh.
Nope. Nope. This one's already open. And this one has 2 doors.
Same.
That's why one of the strangest things I've ever seen in Haunted. Either that or there being 2 ghost ladies. Yo! Chat! I got the key, Let's get out of here. Wait a minute, we're only gonna try to do the glitch. Whatever.
What?
My god, I went so fast. But we're only gonna do the glitch with the thing.
Do I still need the light?
Uh-oh. Oh my god. Okay, give me a second. Yeah, let me get my pickaxe out. Wait, wrong thing. Okay. Okay, that's good.
Yo, I'm not gonna get my pick out.
Yo.
Whoa.
Yeah. Wait, can we grab it? Can we grab it still? We can still grab it.
Oh! I did it.
Yo, wait, they're dropping the stuff. Check, they're dropping
this
the
is all
crystals.
about
They're dropping
mining.
the crystals.
Yo, come down here.
Oh my god, there's so much stuff.
You just mine everything first, so then we can put our pickaxe away.
Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Okay. We'll try to see some more stuff. Okay, this was a simple thing, definitely. I can't believe they changed the way you do Haunted. I mean, it's not that big, you just gotta mine. I mean, yeah. I feel like they use it too much. They use mining like, way too much. Okay. But what about at the very bottom? Yeah, what about at the very bottom? Yep. No, but there's definitely more blue ones.
Okay.
Yeah, are they different sizes? What was the last one?
I'm at the bottom.
Okay, did you collect any?
Yeah.
I didn't, so I'm gonna go collect some. Oh, they already took all the... Okay, I'm gonna put on my pickaxe. I will keep my grappling out. So then, I could just go get all the stuff.
Okay, I'm teleporting back.
Okay, so I might need my pickaxe again. How many crystals did I get? All these back in the bag. Back. Okay, you know, maybe I might want to.
Are you coming?
Yeah, I'm coming. I just gotta mine some more stuff. There's some more stuff that can be mined. Okay, so I think I can dump some of the because no, that's a blue one. This stuff. Have enough room to get the blue one. Okay, so I'm almost through. So, this more, some more. You know, maybe I should have done that. See, one more. Yeah, that's one. That's one. Yeah, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I see one more. And Chat, I'm here. I'm almost at spawn. Here. Here. Okay, this took so long. But look at how
I
many
know,
blue ones I got.
bro.
Look how many.
Bro, I'm so happy I can't even. I got some red ones.
Let's see how much money we make.
Yo,
This
we
should
have
be
to
the
make
same
over 1,000.
amount as like one normal. I mean, it was
What?
one normal 100 grand. So let's see. Oh, my game all trashed.
Dang.
15,000? 15,000? Chad, that's so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, guys,
Yo, wait,
so here
it's
are the
on
bundles
Ultra
I was talking about. Here's the red envelope pack. You get two.
I'm actually talking
This
about
is for
envelope
temp-
pack. It is actually Lunar New Year.
Okay. So to celebrate Lunar New Year, with
New Year,
this
not New
red
Year.
envelope pack includes 2,200 company coins and 4 research points. Available for 10 more days and 5 more hours. You can also
Or
get
you can just go over here and buy it for 6,000.
Just roll it into the new year. Okay.
And if you don't have enough of,
And then we also got biggest celebration pack for the Lunar New Year of 5,000 company coins and 10 research points. You know, I should really get my grip on Okay. And we got these outfits right here.
you know.
Cool. Yeah, they still have the skeleton right here. And
They just have all the.
they have the multi-ball bundle. Where you get some cool outfits. You get different outfits. You get the normal yellow, and that you get the blue and green, and you get the pink and
And it's a
light
live
blue.
countdown.
And also they added a brand new one. You could buy 40
Yeah, hello. There you
$40.
go.
You could buy 11.
You guys want to go mining?
No,
Yeah. What? Why not?
we just went mining.
Bro, I need money now!
Bro, we got 11K.
I got 200,000K.
No, I'm like
I just
12K just from one run.
200,000K?
Oh.
I only have 29,000.
I have 280K.
Oh, it's okay.
Yo,
but
let's
guys,
go
let's
mine
go.
again.
Yeah, I need more gems.
Bro, you know where we're going?
I hope you guys
We're
enjoyed
going
today's
to,
video.
we're going to
and
Let's
Haunted.
go!
this was pretty cool. This
Yo, we're
was
going to
pretty
Haunted Mansion.
Huh?
cool. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you all next time.
Can I have a
Goodbye.
grappler for that?
You have to ask